Okay, off we go. It's such a gorgeous day. I just had to do this outside. Sound might not be fantastic, but watching technique, watching what we're doing, that's more important. Shedding layer already. So getting your warm up in, as we normally do, is really important. So you're walking on the spot, spending about between 5 and 10 minutes on your warm up, depending on how active you've been. Walking on the spot, arms overhead. Walking on the spot, bending and straightening your elbows. Walking on the spot with your hands on your pelvis, side stepping, knees to chest, up and down on toes, and like I said, spending between 5 and 10 minutes working on that. Then we're going to move on to our arm exercises. So we're going to start with our shoulder press. Remember, as you're bending down to pick up your weights or your bottles of water or whatever you feel is appropriate for you, picking up your weights. Check your stance, make sure you're relaxed. You've got that length through your spine, and breathing is relaxed. So just taking a second or two, focusing on the tummy rising and falling, and just being really careful about breath holding throughout your exercise. Bend the elbows, palms facing forwards, arms overhead for 1. Aiming for 10. If you hit fatigue before that, you've done enough. 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep those shoulders from hitching. 7, 8. Check on your breathing. 9. Getting heavier now. 10. Lovely. Relax stance again. Then through your spine. Palms facing backwards, relax the shoulders. And then when you're ready, bend the elbows, touch the shoulders for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, keep those feet firmly planted, don't sway on your feet, don't lift your ribs. Last 2, 9, 10. Lovely. Giving the arms a little bit of a rest. Check your breathing, make sure you're comfortable. Legs hip distance apart. Push through the toes, lift the heels, with or without the weights in your hand, depending on how you feel. 2, you can also do this in single leg. Push through the floor, lift your heel. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. So we're going to go into a squat. Bear in mind, depending on your exercise experience, you know this from the classes, your exercises should be moving from easy to a little bit hard, and then for those who do with more experience, your exercises should feel hard. So we're going into our squats, legs are shoulder distance apart, length through the spine, relax breathing again. So keep that length in your spine, remember that as you're coming into your squat. Keep tall, through your spine, keep your breathing relaxed. You don't have to use weights, you can do this without weights. You can do this with 1 weight, pulling the weight up at your breastbone, or arms down by your side, whatever works for you. Bending your hips, bending your knees. Send those hips back to the wall behind you. Keep those shoulder blades to the back pockets. Head up, bend the hips and the knees. Go right down as low as you can control. Push through your heels and come back up for 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. It is such a gorgeous day. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Lovely. That's our squat. Give the legs a little break for a second. And we go back to our arms. Up nice and tall. Relax your breathing. Again, make sure you're comfortable. Don't start another set of exercises until you've got your breathing under control and you're feeling comfortable. Palms facing backwards, nice and tall through the spine. Breathing relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Bringing the arms back behind you, shoulder blades to your back pockets, and rotating the shoulders as you perform that movement. And back again. Rotate and come back for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, don't know if you can hear the birds singing, 7, best soundtrack ever, 8, 9, and 10. Shoulder base to the back pockets, extend the arms, bring the arms backwards. Lovely. Into lunges. So again, with or without your weights, you can have 2 weights by your sides. You can have 1 weight up at your breastbone, but keep that length through your spine. If your balance is a bit wobbly, hold on to a wall and stay safe. So coming up on the toes on the back leg, bend the 2 knees, come right down as low as you can, but watch for the pelvis dipping. So try and keep the pelvis level for 1, 2, 3. And remember, you're going up and down, not forwards and backwards. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. So up and down, that back knee is like a piston going up and down. 1, 2, both sides of the pelvis level. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. That's our lunges. So we're going to do another clip. I'm going to do push-ups and balance exercises. Remember, everything is 2 sets of 10. So completing what we just did and then doing it all over again after a couple of minutes rest. Or you could do your balance work and then go back to it.